Imagine creating an anime video like that. If you think a big studio created this, then you are wrong. I created this anime video using AI tools in a few minutes. And today, I am gonna share the step-by-step method of creating this kind of anime video using AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, today I will use an amazing AI animation generator called Animon AI to create the anime video. This is basically an AI image and image-to-video generator specializing in different anime-style videos. Previously, it became one of the best AI animation video generators. However, recently, it introduced the studio version, which makes it more powerful. Okay, to access Animon, head over to animon.ai. You will get the link in the description. Once you have landed on the homepage, click here and then create an account. Okay, now let's have a look at the dashboard. These are some anime content generated by Animon. You can see the quality. Here on the left side, you will find options to create images and anime videos. And at the end, you will find all of your assets. Okay, now let's create our own anime videos. To do that, first of all, we have to create the images. To create a video, I already generated a story and detailed image generation prompt using ChatGPT. I will share the chat in the description, and you can do your own using the same formula. Alright, now let's create the image. I am selecting the image option. Here, you will find three options: text to image to image, and image editing. As I only have the text prompt, I am selecting text to image. Okay, now copy the first prompt from ChatGPT, and then paste it here in this prompt box. You can keep this prompt enhancer on to create a polished result. Now, come to the settings. First, we have the model. Here, you will find two options. The Aniframe f.1s for faster generation, but it compromises the quality and generates 1K images, while the Aniframe Pro 1.0 generates high-quality images with better quality. However, the Aniframe Pro 1.0 is only available in studio mode. Okay, after selecting the mode, select the aspect ratio. You will find a bunch of options. Select your preferred one. Next, we have style. This is very important. Here, you will find almost all kinds of animation styles, including anime, 3D, pixel, flat, comic, art toy, and others. Select which one you want to use. I am selecting anime style. In the end, you can select how many images you want to create. Let's assume I want to create 2 images. So, I am selecting 2. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. It will take a very short time to generate the images. And here it is. The images are ready. And look at the quality of the images. This is just amazing. This is a perfect character for our video. The visual is stunning. The light and composition are on point. In one word, both images are perfect anime images and perfect for my video. However, if you find any issues, you can solve them here in Animon. No need for any editing software or apps. Just come to the Image Editing tab and then select the image you want to edit, or click on the Edit button on the image. Okay, now we are on the image editing interface. We just have to mention what we want to edit. For example, I am typing, change the hair color to blue. After that, set all other settings, and then hit the Generate button. Now, we have to wait for some time. And here it is, our newly generated image is ready. You can see that the hair color changed perfectly, while all other elements remain the same. That means you can customize anything from the image without any hassle within a second. Alright, now, in the same method, generate all other images and fix them if needed. And here it is, all of our images are ready. Now it's time to generate the videos from them. You can select any image and then click on To Anime, or come to the Anime tab, and then select the image you want to turn into a video. Once the image is selected, enter the text prompt here in this box. You can skip it. However, I already generated image-to-video generation prompts using ChatGPT, so I am entering the prompt. After entering the prompt, set the video generation model. The Anicut 1.0 can generate a 5-second 16 FPS video in 480p resolution, while Anicut Pro supports HD video creation and in-betweens feature. That means you can generate videos using the first frame and the last frame. I am selecting Anicut Pro. Next, set the video resolution. And in the end, set the number of videos you want to generate. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. It will take some time to generate the video. So, I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is, the video is ready. And look at the video. This is really amazing. It looks like an anime clip created by a big production team. The movement is very subtle. The overall anime quality is outstanding. This video is currently in 720p resolution at 16 frames per second. Want to enhance it? With just one click, you can upscale it to crisp 1080p and smooth 24 FPS. Here's the upgraded version. Take a look at the difference. The quality is so refined, it could pass as a professional anime from a top-tier studio. I generated videos with the same image and prompts using two top-tier video generators, Kling and Hailo. This is the result generated by Kling, and this is the result generated by Hailo. The difference is in front of you. Animon is more professional in handling anime details. The most professional anime series creation platform with the best anime effects. Now in the same method, generate all other video clips. Okay, all of our video clips are ready. Now we have to assemble them with a video editor. You can do it using any video editor. Alright, this is my final product. So now you can create this kind of amazing anime videos using Animon AI. And the good news? You can access this amazing AI anime maker for only 90 cents. Yes, Animon offers the studio plan only for 90 cents. So if you want to create your own anime series, don't forget to try this tool. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, I'd love to hear your opinion about Animon AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. And subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, happy creating.